Are you ready to find out which water sport is the most thrilling? Today, we are diving into a comparison of anti gravity, cursor, and windsurf. All three activities offer a unique way to enjoy the water and the wind. They promise fun and excitement, but they each have their own style and experience. Let's start with anti gravity. This sport combines elements of surfing and flying. You get to soar above the water, feeling the rush of wind beneath you. It's all about the thrill of being airborne while still connected to the water. Next up is cursor. This sport is a blend of traditional sailing and high speed racing. It focuses on speed and agility. You navigate through the water using the wind to propel you forward. It's perfect for those who love competition and want to test their skills. Now, let's look at windsurf. This classic sport mixes surfing and sailing. You stand on a board with a sail, using your body and the wind to move. It's a great way to enjoy the ocean while getting a workout. So, what are the main differences? Anti-gravity is all about the airborne experience. Cursor emphasizes speed and racing. Windsurf offers a mix of surfing and sailing. Each sport has its own unique flavor. When it comes to features, anti-gravity provides a thrilling flight experience. Cursor focuses on fast-paced racing with competitive elements. Windsurf allows for a more relaxed pace while still being challenging. In terms of pricing, anti-gravity and cursor might be on the higher side due to specialized equipment. Windsurf can be more affordable, but it also varies based on gear. In the end, if you crave the thrill of flying, go for anti-gravity. If speed is your thing, choose cursor. For a mix of relaxation and challenge, windsurf is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.